My name is Austin, and today we'll be looking at the Student Video 8 problems, or at least 3 of them. Let's get started. So first off, I will be doing problems 1, 3, and 4. And so for number 1, we are looking to determine whether or not Rolle's theorem applies to the function. And so first off, you have to simplify the equation, and to do that, you square the parentheses, getting x squared minus 2x plus 1, and then you multiply that by x to get x cubed minus 2x squared plus x. Then you have to find whether or not f of a and f of b are equal, and in this case, a is 0 and b is 1. So first you plug in 0, and for this one I got f of 0 equaling 0, and then you plug in 1 to the initial equation, and f of 1 is equal to 0 as well. So now we can use the derivative and plug it into 0, and so after doing this, I got x equals 1/3 and x equals 1, but since it's a closed interval, x equals 1/3 is my answer. All right, now on to number 3, and number 3 asks for us to use L'Hopital's rule to find the limit of x approaching 1 for the function of x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd minus 2x plus 2 over x minus 1. And so I found the derivative of this equation, which was 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2 over 1. And so then I plugged in 1 to the equation, and then I got -1 for my answer. And so for number 4, it also asks us to use L'Hopital's rule to find the following limit, which is the limit of x approaching 2 as for the function of x squared minus 4x plus 4 over sine squared of pi x. And so I found the first derivative, which is 2x minus 4 over 2 sine of x times pi cosine of pi x. And unfortunately, plugging in 2 for this equation would get 0. So I had to find the second derivative, which was 2 over 2 pi squared cosine of 2 pi x. And so after doing this, after plugging in 2, you're going to get 2 over 2 pi squared times cosine of 4 pi, which cosine of 4 pi is equal to 1. So then we get 2 over 2 pi squared, and the answer is 1 over pi squared.